our trade is positive. Our prediction actually with this entire exchange has been correct, which I just can't believe. I can't comprehend this. I'm so surprised. So I've been following Fxalexg since a while. In this video, we will see if his strategies actually work. So he markets himself as somebody who turned $100 into over $1 million in days. So what he does is Forex trading. That means he trades currencies. For example, what's happening right now is that the dollar is going down and the euro is staying up. He could place a bet on that. To give you a quick rundown of how his market idea works, is that the market always goes up and down, up and down, up and down. And he wants to predict where this basically is going to go based on the knowledge of what happened in the past. There are market trends, bullish and bearish. These are just terms for if the market is going to go up, where you should buy, or if the market is going to go down, where you can sell. So according to him, we only only puts money into a trade or start a trade where we see an area of interest. So that means we have at least 3 touches on like a ceiling and on the floor. It's kind of crazy to me because I never done any trading. I am a long-term investor, and he only has 3 platforms he uses. Everything else he says you don't really use. So TradingView is to analyze the markets. This is our position size calculators, basically calculating from our risk how much money we want to put in it. And we are going to use MetaTrader 5 to actually execute the trades. I'm actually kind of hyped about this because I have never tried this ever. So on the first day, I just created a demo account. So that means only today I won't put my real money into it. We'll start with that tomorrow. So let's just see if I can put into action what I've learned. So this is a bullish markets trend. And since the last hour, it has been bullish as well. This is a bullish candlestick entry point. So I'm going to trade. All right, so it's been a couple of hours more and I would have profited a lot if I would have put extra real money into it. I got out of the thing here on the demo account and it went straight up. Like if I do it tomorrow, I will do it tomorrow with real money, by the way. And if I get the same success as today, we will profit. I will actually start trading today. So let's open up all the windows right now. It is just 9. He said between 8 and 2 in London time is the best for movement, best value, less spread, where you have to pay the broker less. So I just checked out what broker he actually uses. He uses LQH. I just created a live account. $500 and I'm ready to lose it all. Apparently it costs another $20 just to put in there. Here we go. Now begins the real game. I analyzed many markets before I found the one I felt confident in following Alex's strategy. This looks very, very bearish. So I think we could place a first small bet here that it's going to go down. And we want to have this like 5 pips above. So we're at 9, we'll go to 15. We have 500 stop loss pips. We have 15. And this is our sizing. I think we're going to sell. Here we go. This is our first trade. I can't believe this is real. So we're positive right now. It's in the green. I mean, Alex's rule is just set and forget. So let's hope that this graph continues to go down. I'm not going to party too early, but it is looking pretty good so far. And while waiting for our trade to hopefully take profit soon, I'll put in another trade here in a very, very bullish market so we can diversify positions. But unfortunately, something unexpected happened the next day. It is now day 2 of actually trading with money. We lost both trades. So one trade we lost $10 and the other trade we lost $16. Yeah, so it's good that we didn't lose more because it even went higher. I tried to look what I did wrong and I think we got the trend pretty good, but we maybe didn't really have an area of interest. So it's okay, we're still in the game and this time we'll care about the area of interest. All right, I'm still waiting for the entry signal basically. All right, I have been waiting and it's good that I didn't start the trade here because it continued to go down. I will place 2 trades here as soon as we get a bullish engulfing candlestick. I'm just going to start a trade here on the euro to Swiss francs and we're selling by markets. All right, it's done. In this trade, we're going with the area of support and resistance. So
that this is going to stay in this area.
I lost $17 already on this trade here. Yeah, that was just one wick that got us exactly. Good news, we had two positions that are in positive. Altogether, we are minus $10 or $11. Every day for the next weeks, my plan was to put in as many trades following Alex's strategies as possible so we can get the most accurate assessment of it. And I spent around 5 hours per day analyzing markets, putting in trades. Placed a trade on this one here on the GDP CAD, and I placed a couple more like ideas here. For example, I looked at the head and shoulders principle of the pattern. So maybe that's going to work. So if you have a head and two shoulders, then the market should go down. Right now we're in the green. We're up $13. I think it's looking quite good actually. Either this is going to hit the stop loss or it's going to hit the take profit. We have lost that position. We have lost the trade. And to be honest, I'm not quite sure when or why, because the trade didn't close here and it didn't close here. But from the time frame, it tells me it closed during like midnight, like at 11. So it closed here. Now we're left with 420. I again spent today analyzing the markets, and today was the trade that actually surprised me. I have waited a long time, like 30 minutes, and we have our entry signal. It's kind of early, but I think this is still a trade. So our entry signal is this green engulfing candlestick that's basically rejecting this red one. 1, 2, 3 touches here and 1, 2. Now we definitely have the entry signal. We have the engulfing bullish candlestick. So I'm going to put our position in. Now we're already a bit up here. So we're going to have to lower this a bit, 13 pips. All right, this is our trade. We'll see if his strategy now actually works. I just came from sport. Don't mind me not wearing a shirt right now, but it is looking good. Like it went down and up, and on MetaTrader, we're up $41. And I'm not sure if I should basically sell now. I'm really thinking about it because we had a engulfing red candlestick. I've closed that position. We are now at 461. Let's do this. Let's just go full risk and say that this is like the up down trend. So this is our trade. I'm gonna put this in. This is crazy. I first bought this and now I'm going to sell this basically. This is so unfortunate actually. Our position closed and we lost all three. But as you can tell here, it actually, like, it looks like it never even like touched our stop loss, and now it is going in the direction that's like we kind of predicted. I'm wondering if I should just place another bet here because now I still have time. So this is actually crazy. So I predicted this. That's the crazy part. I predicted that it's going up and then I predicted that it's going down. We will do one last trade and see if this can go up again. All right, guys. So it is Sunday night right now and I actually cannot believe this because our trade is positive. We are in the green with this trade. Our prediction actually with this entire exchange has been correct, which I just can't believe. I can't comprehend this. I'm so surprised. Like, part of me still thinks this whole thing is just bullshit and it's just a lock. I even said when we were at this point here, when we get down here, we'll reach an area of support and we will get here. I predicted this, and not only that, when we were at this point, I was like, yeah, let's sell this and let's stop the buy and actually put it into sell. And I did that, and now I bought it again. I predicted the market correctly 3 times. Now the question is that luck or is that not luck? Because it can be complete luck, but I guess we will still have to find out. Altogether in profit, we're minus 4.6. Of course, with the swap and the commission, it's minus further. But if you add that with our latest, if we close it right now, the 5.5, then actually in profit itself, we're profitable. Our trade that we made here, we lost it and we lost $54 this morning. And the weird part is that, yeah, but we lost it here, and to me that still doesn't make any sense. And Yeah, or broker, I don't know, he's just having different numbers than what this graph shows apparently. It's the next morning and let's just say both trades were lost, unfortunately. As you can see, the trend was going up this entire year. The trend was going up this entire week, this entire month. The last few hours, last days, the trend is our friend. Well, apparently this time it wasn't our friend and we lost this trade, but it's really unfortunate that it happened twice. We lost 2 trades overnight and yeah, this one is, it seems like completely wrong. So I identified that it was a bearish market. It has a downwards trend. I identified this head and shoulders pattern, which is a pretty good head and shoulders, if you can say so.
So over the next few days, I put in multiple more trades, and now I'll share with you the final results of what happened after 10 days of trading. Alright, it's already 3 weeks later now, and we put in a lot of trades. I haven't done a lot of trades this week, but the last 2 weeks entirely. So I put in 18 trades, 5 of them were positive, all the rest, 13 trades, were lost. I definitely lost more trades than I won trades, but that being said, we of course used the 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, so it's far more likely always that we reach our stop loss than our take profit. So altogether, when I paid in 445 euros, and now I got out with 282 euros. So altogether we lost 163 euros, which is $191. I mean, I didn't lose a lot of money, but that being said, I still lost money. And yes, I had times where Alex's strategy apparently seemed to work, but that unfortunately didn't work out every time, and even most of the times it didn't work. Long term, I don't think his strategy works safely. There have been so many studies based on thousands of day traders who work on similar models, and they have proved that around 97% of day traders actually lose money. I can see some people will argue that only spending a couple of weeks trying to learn day trading from zero, that won't be successful because it's just too little time. So if you want a part 2, maybe trying a different style of trading, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.